kiss them all. They want the shoes to get out picture. They're out back. I got to go get them. Can I get my shoes? Right now. Go ahead. You're good, civilian. Call the cops. You call the cops and you're dead. Active military. First Battalion, Second Corporal, United States Military. Parnell. Just right now, son. Right now. Don't even switch. You're fine, man. Military. You're fine. Your son's gonna be fine. Stay. Grandma, take the dog. Hang on there, girl.
Come up to the red light at Las Palmas now.
Copy. 1033, we'll light it up.
Our K9 unit said he's going to light it up.
GLV number 4 in pursuit.
And CSP units on channel 2. I copy that you guys are going to be backing off for now. We're not going to make any updates. We'll just be working with our guys. If needed, we'll contact you.
4852 copy, spikes are set up, 33 answer.
We're coming up to the major. I see the Newman guy, he's coming to the stop sign now. Oh, looks like he just TC'd. And off to the west orchard here.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Hey, he's shooting. I got you.
This is the Air 101 footage, slowed down, that shows the suspect firing the gun towards deputies as he flees the scene.
Air 101. I'm sorry. Control all that. Okay, start everybody. And bring down. Tell him the last shot was southwest.
He's going to be super close to the truck.
And then now eastbound, in between the rows, towards you guys. Something in his right hand. One-on-one. He is pointing whatever's in his hands at us. I don't know if he's trying to shoot at us or not.
County Sheriff's Department, we need you to hold the orchard with your hands up. Do it now.
Where's he at? He's directly right here. So on the opposite side, our tire shot in the car. Our tire shot off.
And he's proned out, facing directly towards you guys. And now he's shooting rounds at you guys. Shots fired.
Linko's coming up.
He's approaching. He's walking directly towards us. One guy. One by. He's walking towards us. He's in the frame. He's coming out. Right there. Stop. Stop. Gun's behind his back. Woman's got it. Shoot her down. One down.
Alright, he's up, walking eastbound towards you guys, ducking between the trees, trying to get a better look. Walking eastbound towards 33. He's just one row south. Okay, he's laying down. Gun is to his right side. Now, 4 trees west. He's at that first row, just south of the break, laying down. Gun is to the right side of his shoulder there.
Put your hands up. Roll slow. Giving announcements. I'm giving announcements.
Put your hands up. I can see you moving your head. Put your hands up. You are under arrest.
Control 612. Subject is still moving, not following commands. Subject still moving, not following commands.
Yeah, speak Spanish. If you guys want to try to use Spanish now, since he's not really doing what we're telling him, if you guys want to try that.
Señor, por favor. Pone tus dos manos arriba. Put both your hands up in the air. Hands in the air.
Just an update overall for everybody. Listen up. Tactical is en route. Everybody hold your position. We got some extra armor moving forward.
Yeah, 1-1. He's finally made it to the break in the orchard there, just to the north of that first row. Laying down.
Hey, from you, T-1141 is in the fire station. Got it.
TAC team's moving up to make contact now.
TAC team, we're out to make contact.
I got a GSW to the right arm, left arm. Where are you shot? Huh?
My stomach.
Your stomach?
Yeah, my stomach.
Get the shirt off.
Oh my God, help me, please help me. Oh, it hurts so bad, my stomach.
Conduct the search of his lower half, please.
Ow, fuck, ow.
We're going to render aid as soon as possible, sir.